at Brown Mackie College is basically to give opportunities to students to seek out career employment opportunities. One thing that we do with our students is we provide different paths, especially as they're going through the program's externship paths that they can follow. They have a career advisor, not only to the career advisor, but the instructor also helps with their career paths. One of the most important things a student can have is the support from a team base, and Brown Mackie works in a team base, so it doesn't start just from the career service advisor, but it starts with the instructor as well. As an instructor, we play an instrumental role of help facilitating the course and helping the students understand what career path they go into. So in my particular field, if they're doing healthcare, I will direct them in paths they have to do with healthcare, but obviously I would like to see what passion they have in healthcare. And then working with the career advisor, the job employment specialist, etc., on an externship or an internship or any type of job opportunities. Also in the field of the community, if I see opportunities out there that may meet the needs of my students, and also creating groups within the classroom setting is important to facilitate career experiences. We've talked before about building a society for students to get together to do resume building, note taking. Workshops on how to be more employable, about different career opportunities and certificate paths that can help. One of the things that Career Service does with students is meet with them, identify what their needs are, identify the location. In some aspects they'll already have an externship available for the student, and other times the student will have to seek out an externship opportunity and come back. And an agreement has to be made, I guess, through with Brown Mackie and the externship site. One of the things that we talked about in our project, we had criminal justice. I kind of went over the stuff that was mentioned in the training. I was there for the training. So for our particular project, we decided to do a project worth 150 points, and it's basically going to be a case. Okay, and the case, as you can see, it's called. It's on a mock trial with Little Red Riding Hood and Cross of the Wolf, director John Smith, Cross of the Wolf, and police officer and Cross of the Wolf. So basically, all attorneys will do an opening statement. The video is about 3 minutes. We do a direct examination, at least 25 questions, cross-examination, at least 25 questions, and closing argument in class, 3 minutes. So the witnesses are Little Red Riding Hood, John Smith, the police officer, Mr. Wolf. The statement of facts is used to complete all your assignments. The defendant and witness statement are located in the top sharing selection of the LMS. Statement of facts. On Sunday, June 30th, 2012, a 13-year-old girl called Little Red Riding Hood walked through the woods in Miami, Florida, to deliver food to her sick grandmother. A wolf approaches Little Red Riding Hood and finds out where she is. While the girl picks up some flowers, he goes to the grandmother's house and swallows the grandmother whole. He disguises himself as her grandma. When the girl arrives, the wolf has a conversation with her and then tries to swallow her whole. A lumberjack, however, comes to the rescue and threatens the wolf with an axe. The wolf runs from the house and hides out in the woods until he's arrested by Miami-Dade police. 3 days later, the grandmother's body was never located. The wolf is being tried by a jury in a criminal trial. The jury has been chosen, and your trial will begin in 2 weeks. Each week's assignment will be geared toward helping you prepare for your trial. The trial notebook. In this class, your client folder will also serve as your trial notebook. That is part of your mock trial grade 1 submitted. It is due the day of your mock trial presentation. See trial notebook assignment in week 4. Please ensure that your client folder trial notebook contains the following. It should include the initial interview form, the medical release authorization, retainer agreement, time billing form, statement of facts, witness statements, complaint, assignments, counterclaim, attachments, attorney paralegal notes, discovery request, discovery, motion, settlement, opening, direct examination, cross-examination, and closing. The scoring rubric is broken down to professional decor, 10 points, opening statements, 25 points, direct examination, 50. Each direct or cross-examination include at least one item document into evidence, laying the proper foundation, having to admit evidence, 20 points, cross-examination, 50, closing arguments, 25. If you're selected for any reason, or sanctioned for any reason, it's 20 points. So that kind of concludes what we did for our mock presentation. We obviously had criminal justice, and that concludes our presentation. Thank you. Bye.